Hey everyone. In the previous videos in the series, we discussed about the importance of the date dimension or having a date table in Power BI. In this video, we will talk about how to use the CalendarAuto function to build the date dimension. So essentially what the CalendarAuto function does is it internally goes through all the dates available in your Power BI data model and it gives you a list of dates accordingly. So let's say you have dates from 1st of Jan 1900 to 1st of Jan or 31st of December 1999. So it will give you a date calendar or values from that range from 1st of January 1900 to 31st December 1999. So it just goes through and sifts through your data model and then accordingly builds a date dimension. So we'll quickly build a date dimension here. So we'll stay on the modeling tab and then I'll just click on modeling and hit new table. So we'll just call it CalendarAuto date table and we'll just use the CalendarAuto function. So already so you can see returns a date table with one column of dates calculated from the model automatically. That's what it's saying here. So I'll just hit enter and creates the calendar date auto date table. And if you look at the data set, so you'll see that it's given you data from, so let's just sort ascending. So you can see it's from the 1st of January 1939, and then if we did the sort descending, you can see it's giving us data till 2024. So in this video what we've essentially done is we've created a table. So now from here onwards you could increase the breadth of the table by having a day, month, year, quarter. You can start building and having like a holiday list as well for specific year. So it just gives you a very good starting point to launch from here. So I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.